In primetime news this evening, authorities and residents brace for logistical nightmare with superstar entertainer Kanye West to perform in Kingston. Bauxite company blamed for deadly pollution in St. Catherine. And Pastor Kenneth Blake sentenced to 12 years in prison for having sex with a 12-year-old.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Milton Walker has our preview. Milton?
Yes, Janella. And we will find out how to accurately measure and predict economic growth. That's a big debate that we'll tell you about in the financial week.
Okay, thanks, Milton. From Milton, we go to Spencer, who has a preview of sports. Spencer, what's coming up?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, the JFF is set to make a decision on the future of the Reggae Girls head coach, Hugh Menzies, in a week's time. We'll give you some more details in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the process to approve the Kanye West Sunday service concert in Kingston?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.